गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। केजमल का तेजस में आपका स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है। फर्स्टली आई एम गिविंग यू एंड योर फैमिली हैप्पी न्यू ईयर 2021। एवरी हैप्पीनेस कम्स इन योर लाइफ। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, केजमल का तेजस is made for the students who are poor and deprived from the society, especially in villages of India. Dear students, I have been teaching you mathematics from 6th to 10th class since Indian independence 2020, when I made my channel on YouTube. Dear students, I have been teaching you mathematics for Navodaya Vidyalaya Sainik school since Deepavali for 6th class and preparing for Navodaya Vidyalaya Sainik School for 9th class now, and I will teach you and prepare you for CTET from Saraswati Puja. I qualified All India Merit Scholarship by HRD, now converted to Navodaya Vidyalaya, in which 600 students qualified from all over India. I passed 10th from Vidyalaya Udaipur and 12th from Birla Higher Secondary School, Pilani, Rajasthan. I have done my graduation and post-graduation from Delhi University and prepared for Civil Services UPSC. Now I will give you the concept of every topics of every subject for Navodaya Vidyalaya Sainik School. At the same time, CTET also. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.